you? I hope you're doing great. Now our topic is all about the final F, D, P, N, and G sound like F, 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 D, 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 P, 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 N, 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 G, 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 G. Okay, are you ready? Now let's get started. Now we have here cat, cat. Okay, what picture is it? It is a cat. Very good. Let's spell cat, C-A-T. Again, C-A-T. Okay, the final sound is T. It's letter T, cat. Okay, very good. Now, next is we have hat. Again, hat. Okay, what is it? It is a hat. Now let's spell hat. H-A-T. H-A-T. Okay, what is the final sound? T, T, hat. Okay, very good. Now, sad. I'm feeling sad. Okay, let's look at a picture. Oh, the boy is sad. He is sad. Yes. Let's spell sad. Okay, S-A-D. Again, S-A-D. Okay, the final sound is D, 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 D. Sad, sad. Okay, next we have is cap. What is it? It is a cap. Okay, this is the picture of a cap. Let's spell it C-A-P. Again, C-A-P. Cap, cap. The final sound is P, P, P. It's the letter P. The sound of letter P. P, P, P. Cap. Okay, next is, this is number 10. Okay, let's spell it. T-E-N. T-E-N. Okay, very good. The final sound is the N sound. 10. Okay. We're going to have our game. You're going to tell me what is the final sound of the picture. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's click here to start. What is the final sound of a cat? Is it letter D or letter T? Is it letter D or letter T? Okay, if your answer is letter D, no, try again. Okay, let's try the letter T. Yay! Correct. And sound is T, T, T. Okay, let's move on. We have sad. I'm feeling sad. Okay, what do you think is the final sound? Sad. Okay, the letter P sound P, P, P. The letter D sound D, D, D. Sad. Okay. Okay, correct. It's letter D. Okay, let's move on to our next one. Oh, what is it? What is the final sound of the cap? What do you think? Is it letter P, 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 letter D, 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 D? Okay, if your answer is the letter D, oh, try again. It's not letter D. Cap. Okay, it's letter D. Very good. Number 10. What do you think is the final sound? Is it P, 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 N. Okay. The final sound is the letter N. Very good. It's 10. N. Okay, correct. Okay, it's game over. Okay, thank you for listening, students. Have a great day. Bye bye.